Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about the comparison operators in JavaScript. Okay, there are multiple comparison operators. Okay, so in this video, we will learn about the greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, and less than or equals to operators. And in the upcoming videos, we will learn about the equality operators. Okay, all right. So now let's get started. So let's do console log. And let's do something like this. 5 greater than 6. This is true? Okay. It is not. 5 is not greater than 6, right? So if I run the program, as you can see, we are getting false. Okay. So while using the comparison operators, you must remember that it returns a Boolean. Okay. It may return true or false. All right. Console log. Let's do something like 10 greater than 8. That is true. Okay, all right. Then let's do console log 6 less than 7. That is also true. And let's do console log 8 less than, let's do 5. That is false. Okay, so this is greater than and this is the less than comparison operators. Then similar to this, we have the greater than or equals to and less than or equals to. So let's see that in action. So I will comment out all of these. So let's declare a variable. Let x equals to 10. Okay. All right. Now console log x less than or equals to, let's do 20. That is true. Or if I just do 10, that is also true. Okay. But if I just do something like, let's do 6, that is false. Okay. So quite simple. And in the similar manner, we have the greater than or equals to as well. So console log x greater than or equals to 20. That is false. Okay. So I will comment out all of these here. Okay. That is false, right? Let's do if that is true for 10. That is true. And let's do it for 5. That is also true. Okay. All right. So this is the comparison operators which we wanted to learn. Now let's see some other things in action. First of all, let's do a console log and let's do a string of small a greater than of capital A. Let's see what exactly is the result. It is true. All right. So small a is greater than capital A. What about capital B? That is also true. Okay. What about the small b? That is false. So now how we are getting these comparisons here? Okay. So to get these comparisons, we have to compare on basis of a number, right? So here we cannot compare the characters. Okay. So how the comparison is happening under the hood? So this comparison is happening under the hood by the ASCII values. So in this case, this is the chart here. Okay. All right. So this is the chart. As you can see, this is the ASCII table. Okay. It is coming from asciicode.com. Okay. Now there are many of the things here and here and here. And we have all of these. Okay. So we have the hash symbol, the dollar symbol, percentage symbol, and symbol, and so on. And after that, we are having from 0 to 9. And after that, as you can see here, this A, the capital A is here, A till the capital Z. And then after some time after, we are getting the small a. Okay. And let's see the associated number here. So this is the, let's do the number. What exactly is the number? So this is the hex, oct, and decimal. So let's go with the decimal number. Okay. So the capital A is 65 and the small a is 97. Okay, now that makes sense, right? So now if I just do something like this, so now this comparison basically has something like this: console log of it is 97 greater than 65. That is true. All right. So this is how these comparisons are calculated. Okay, the character comparisons are calculated. Now, inside of the JavaScript, we are having a function, basically a method, to get these ASCII values. Okay, so this is a sidetrack, but I just wanted to show it to you. So let me just get rid of this one. So, and I will just comment out all of these. Okay. So now let's do console log of small a dot character code at 0. Okay, and if I just do that, as you can see, we are getting the ASCII value, which is 97. Okay, so in that way we can get the ASCII values. All right, so in the similar way, remember we have seen the dollar sign and the hash symbol there. Okay, so console log, let's add a dollar sign. All right, greater than the hash symbol, and that is true. I hope that makes sense. So in this video, we have learned about the 4 comparison operators: greater than or equals to, less than, and less than or equals to. Okay, all right.